type of car do you have?
1951 Studebaker. Commander convertible. Can't drive this every day. Like you could, but it wouldn't be the best thing. It wouldn't be the smartest thing. Well, it was one of the first cars made after the World War II, so they made it like a fighter plane. It's got the propeller in the front. It's not my favorite, it's just the one I own right now.
What type of car do you have?
It is a Dodge Charger Hellcat 22 wide body. I like this car because it's a good car that you can drive every day, but it's still really, really fast. They're not being made anymore, so it's kind of a rare car now.
Yes, officer, it's stopped. It was for sale, babe.
What type of car do you have?
A 23 Honda Civic Si. Well, you've got economy and the modability is insane. Always has been in Honda, so. Just as mine, you know, I've done all the stuff, most of the work myself. And I'm also the first one to do a digital cluster swap in this for the 25 Si. So that's the cool part.